So, good evening, sir. I am Sarah Jane Awit, and my assigned topic is Article 6 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. So, Article 6, everyone has the right to recognition everywhere as a person before the law. So, this means that every individual, regardless of their status or their backgrounds, should be acknowledged and treated as a person with legal standing in all places. It ensures that no one can be denied legal identity or the ability to participate in legal matters. This means that everyone is entitled to the same rights and protections under the law without discriminations.
Hi, I am Lloyd T. Villasilio, and I am going to discuss about Article 7 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Article 7. So, it states that all are equal before the law and are entitled without any discrimination to equal protection of the law. All are entitled to equal protection against any discrimination in violation of this declaration, and against any incitement to such discrimination. So, this article emphasizes about the principle of equality before the law. Regardless of their gender and race, nationality, and other status, they are treated fairly and equally by the legal system. And it also states that individuals should not face any form of discrimination. And if such discrimination occurs, they have the right to legal protection against it. Example of these are anti-discrimination law, then fair trial rights or right to due process, then equal access to education. And there is another example. Situation. If two kids break the same rules at school, they should have the same punishment for it.
Hello sir, my name is Marilyn Martir and I am from Group 6. I'll tackle about Article 8 and Article 9 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Article 8 states that everyone has the right to an effective remedy by the competent national tribunals for acts violating the fundamental rights granted him by the Constitution or by law. So basically, Article 8 guarantees everyone the right to seek justice and remedy when their fundamental rights are violated. If a person is wrongfully accused of a crime and their rights are ignored, they can file a lawsuit to prove they're innocent. Article 9 states that no one shall be subjected to arbitrary arrest, detention, or exile. So no one can be arrested or sent away without a good reason. Article 9 protects individuals from arbitrary arrest, ensuring that freedom is upheld and justice prevails. So, example is a police officer cannot arrest someone just because they look suspicious. There must be evidence of a crime.
So my topic is all about the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Article 10. Everyone is entitled in full equality to a fair and public hearing by an independent and impartial tribunal, in the determination of his rights and obligation and of any criminal charges against him. So this means that everyone has the right to a fair trial, which a judge listens to both sides. So for example, in a robbery case, both the accused and the victim should have the chance to present their stories or their both sides before a decision is made. So that is all.